Thanks, Darren. A very good afternoon. Well, we do have more wet weather to come in many areas this afternoon, but we are not alone. In fact, there's been some widespread flooding across other parts of Europe. In Italy, the northern vineyards have been battered by hail, and there's been some storm damage in parts of the Czech Republic. Not only that, but there's widespread flooding across parts of Bulgaria, hundreds of households affected in Romania, and the River Kamp in Austria is at its highest level since 1896. Now, it looks like it's going to stay very unsettled in Central Europe through this weekend, so further heavy downpours for Austria, northern Italy, but it looks like it will dry out and brighten up for Romania and the Czech Republic. So let's move away from Europe, move back home in fact, and across much of the UK we've got a lot of cloud and certainly a lot of wet weather. 18 millimetres of rain fell in 4 hours in Cardiff this morning, and in the last couple of hours in Manchester there's been about half an inch of wet weather. So there is a severe weather warning in force for England and Wales throughout the rest of today. Not only dangerous driving conditions on the roads, but also some localised flooding. And you can see that rain on our radar sequence, really quite persistent across parts of northern England, down through eastern England. Some hefty showers now starting to get going towards the southwest, and we've also got some rain in eastern Scotland. So for many of us this afternoon is going to be pretty wet. A little bit of brightness down towards the south, but also some torrential downpours and some thunderstorms. But it looks like for western Scotland and Northern Ireland it's going to be mainly dry this afternoon, and there'll even be a little bit of sunshine. The temperatures are quite disappointing, just around 14, 15 or 16 degrees where it stays wet, and it's quite windy too towards the southwestern corner of Britain. We may just about squeeze at 20 degrees in any brighter spots in the south. And it's going to be another fairly cool day tomorrow, but then it looks like it's going to start to warm up. At the beginning of next week we should see temperatures getting into the middle 20s in places, and it's going to feel quite humid. But before all that, it is going to stay quite unsettled this weekend. This area of low pressure still towards the east of England on Saturday. That one clears away, and then we see more weather fronts coming in from the west on Sunday. So tomorrow morning starts rather cloudy with showery rain in many areas, but those showers will tend to become confined to more eastern areas as the day goes on. Towards the west, I think there will be a lot of dry and bright weather by the end of the day. Temperature-wise, around 21 degrees in London, that's 70 degrees Fahrenheit, around 18 in Manchester and in Belfast. Then on Sunday, for many, we dawn dry with spells of sunshine, but quite quickly we'll see some cloud and patchy rain travelling into western areas. That's slowly slipping eastwards through the day. Top temperature about 23 degrees, and at the beginning of next week we should see temperatures, as I said before, into the middle 20s. Still some rain though for some northwestern parts. That's it. Darren, back to you.